Good morning to one and all. In this video lecture series of the subject new product development, now we are going to discuss about the understanding of customer needs and how we are going to gather different types of customer needs based upon the different types of activities. My name is Divya Kumar from Assistant Professor from SNS College of Technology. Why customer needs are important? Customer needs are the essential requirements, problems or desires that a customer expect to be fulfilled when purchasing the particular product or service. It can be of functional needs or emotional needs or social needs or latent needs or stated needs. There are about different types of needs. First, we need to identify the customer needs based upon the different types of product, and we need to define the different types of risk factor while introducing the particular type of product in the market. Next, why understanding customer needs is important? Because it drives the innovations based upon the customer needs, and also it increases the customer satisfaction, and also it leads to better product market fit, and also it reduces the product failures in the market, and also it guides the marketing and communication strategy. Next, we are going to discuss about the different types of customer needs, how we are going to gather the customer needs. Gathering customer needs is the foundation of the product development. In this, first major important thing is identifying the target customer segment. In that, we need to understand who your consumers are, on based on what type of customer you are going to produce or introduce the particular type of product in the market. For example, whether we need to attract the younger people or old age people, or we need to attract the female customers only, or you need to attract the male customers. Like that, we need to segment the target customers based upon the particular needs. And how we are going to collect the particular data. For that, there are about majorly 4 different techniques we are going to use. First one is based upon the interviews, or second one is the based upon the questionnaires or different types of survey from the customers, and third one is the focusing particular type of groups, and the final one is the be a customer. These are all the major 4 important steps or techniques used by the different types of product development activities in order to gather or collect the data from the customers. And then we need to organize and prioritize the needs based by using different types of affinity diagrams or Kano models, and then translate the needs into the product development. Now we are going to discuss about the first one, gathering of customer needs. The first one is the interviews. Interviews, what it is? What is interview? It is one-on-one open-ended conversation with the customers. It helps to uncover deep and qualitative insights. The key benefits of interview is the understanding what the customer needs. For example, a company developing a food delivery app, it interviews the different types of working customers. One user says, I don't have time to browse the menus. I wish there was a quick recorder option. For different types of customers, the problem may be different. We need to identify what needs we need to specifically introduce in the particular type of product. The second one is the questionnaires and surveys. It is a structured list of questions distributed to many users at once, either through online or email or through the physical mode. The key benefits is we can attain the quantitative data from large samples of the customers. It is fast and cost effective. For example, a coffee shop circulates a survey. How important is mobile ordering to you? That is one of the type. And the next one is the whether we can use the online application, food delivery app, etc. These are all some of the questionnaires. Next one is the focus groups. What it is? A guided group discussion of about 6 to 10 customers to gather different types of feedback from the customers. The key benefits of focusing group is Interactive conversations can be identified and developed based upon the customers. And also we can observe the interactions from the different types of customers. How we are going to do it? It uses a facilitator to ask the questions and lead the session, like a group discussion. For example, a phone manufacturing company holds a focus group for a new phone design. For example, the 6 person is in the focusing group. 6 person will give 6 different ideas based upon them in order to increase the design of the particular type of product. This is the focus group. Next one is the being the customer. You itself being the designer or business team and personally experience the product or service as the customer. What are the major benefits is it builds the first hand empathy, and also it reveals the usability issues you might miss as a creator. These are all some of the major techniques used in order to collect the particular data from the customers. First one is interviews, second one is the by based upon the surveys or questionnaires, and third one is the focus groups, and the last one is the being the customer. Thank you.